Kamusta ang pakiramdam?
I'm very faring well and I'm so excited.
Very Englishera. So, yun, may mga gusto ka bang pasalamatan sa mga tumulong sa'yo during the preparation for the Miss LMK?
First of all, I would like to thank you for my family who is watching me right now. And I'm so glad that all my supporters in Purok Umalag is attending in this event. And I'm really thankful for everyone who is in here. Thank you.
Bula-bula, candidate number 3. Alright, can we pick your judge? I think candidate number 3 is ready. So you've chosen Judge Jebeline Ting.
Hello. Good evening. Here's your question. As future stewards of the planet, what role should the youth play in protecting the environment? And how can they inspire others to do the same? In Tagalog, bilang mga tagapangalaga ng kalikasan sa hinaharap, anong papel ang dapat gampanan ng kabataan sa pangangalaga sa kapaligiran at paano nila mahihikayat ang iba na mag-iisa?
Thank you for that very wonderful question. As an official of my Purok on Purok Umalag, I am a part of officials and we are also conducting for Barkada cleanup to make sure that our barangay is in the place that it's do very good in the placements of sa paglinis po ng mga basura. And I'm so glad that our barangay here in our municipality of Ross, especially the Barangay 4, should always cooperate each other and especially helping each other for our barangay safety. And my contribution to help our barangay, especially our planet, just to take care of our environment and natural resources. Because we've seen that a lot of flood, disaster and bad situations that our community should facing. And I hope that a lot of those children, especially here in our community, should know how to throw any kind of plastic materials, especially yung mga basura po sa ating kapaligiran to stop all the bad situations that we are facing. Because if we cannot help each other to take care of our environment, we kill people, we kill culture, we kill animals, and we kill all of those things that made in our natural resources. And what we need to do to take care of that, we need to help each other as people, as one officials of our community, especially as our Purok Barangay. Because if we can do this, we can have a better place to live in. And what we can achieve if we can take care of this, we save people, we save culture, and we save a lot of those things. And especially we save Mother Earth to save our home, our planet, and our Savior. Thank you.
Alright! Bulak-bulak talaga si candidate number 4.